Isabella. I'm from Brazil, and today we came to visit the Yakapark, and it's really amazing place. It's very beautiful with a beautiful waterfalls.
I came here in Yakapark for the first time to visit. I'm a tourist. It's amazing. It's really beautiful place. I got really impressed. Nature, waterfall, and not only that, but we have even a big fish here, and we're gonna show you later. The delicious food is so tasty. It's so international, Turkish, of course. I suggest you to come and visit. You will get impressed.